Ah, didn't go. Hi! Vad skulle jag säga? Well, today's the big day. Soon the gates to Uppkom will open and, well, it's just really awesome. Ta-da! So people are getting ready, and some people have been queuing here for days.
Since Monday.
Yeah, since Monday. Hey guys! Wave! Wave! So, well, it's only in the morning, but it's already gotten quite long. And it's also been quite cold. Here's where I've been sleeping. Hey, wait. What's awesome? Oh. So what convention is this?
Sorry, I was saying it's fucking cold and coffee is good. What did you say?
What convention is this?
It's Uppkom, come on.
And some really cute outfits. And cosplays. Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave. Wave! Wave!
We can wave.
Let's see if I can cut in here. And here's the end of the line. Well, it's only about 8:30 and it's already this long. So yeah, Uppkom, a convention in Sweden. It will probably be awesome.